So one of the ways in which you can go ahead and create a new site using Strikingly is by using template. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on create new site right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you simply are redirected to the template page. So over here, if you want to generate using AI, you can go ahead and type things right here. But if you want to go ahead and generate using a template, you can go ahead and select out the category right here. If you were to go to view all, you will see all of the templates right here, just like this. But apart from that, if I were to go to online store, let's say for example, you'll see online store related templates. You go to business, then you get business pages related templates and so forth. Like you got landing page, you got membership and courses page, you got creative page, you got organization and event page, personal, blog, and even blank, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here, let's say for example, I'm going to go for creative page right here, then you get creative portfolio page templates. You can go ahead and choose the one you want right here. Like for example, you can go ahead and then let's say for example, view the example right here, just like this, to see a preview of the page. And then if you want to go ahead and use it, simply click on start editing right here. And then what happens is that that particular page will be chosen and you'll be able to go ahead and edit it out. So you can see that this page has been loaded now, and now you can simply go ahead and change it out according to how you want. So I can go ahead and type in, let's say for example, TutorTube right here, and this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and create a new site in Strikingly using a template. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.